What subjects were you teaching at the same school?
English language, and literature and English.
Now, kindly take us back to the second day of November 2018.
On 2nd day of November 2018, it was on Friday, we had rehearsal for the KCSE 2018. I organized the candidate class, the sitting arrangement and everything. I prepared them together with the vigilators and the supervisor. The briefing started for the KCC.
Yes.
The briefing started for the KCC. We were also joined by the sub-county director of education. The sub-county director at TAC. And the quality assurance officer.
After the briefing, after the rehearsals, what happened?
After the rehearsals, we left the school. I drove to my home. And at around 12 noon, I went to the mosque for the private prayers.
So it is your evidence that you were never arrested, but you presented yourself.
I was never arrested. I presented myself to the police.
Until your interdiction. Haven't you been deregistered as a teacher?
Well, I never received any official communication from TC as they registered me.
Yes.
I never received any letter from TC.
Of 4th October 2019.
Let's repeat.
Gazette notice number 9481.
Number
9481
9481.
of 4th October 2019.
Yes.
You know that Gazette notice
4th October
4th October is
2019 or 18.
2019.
Yes.
You know the Gazette notice is titled Removal from Register of Teachers. Removal from Register of Teachers. And it confirms that TSC number 518757, which the accused person has confirmed to be TSC number, has been deregistered. Do you therefore agree with me that you have been registered as a teacher?
Well, I'm supposed to receive a letter which I never received.
No, official communications are usually made through the government notice. Are you aware of that?
Yes, they also sent to the individual teachers.
Are you aware of?
Yeah.
No, are you aware of this?
I'm not aware of this notice. I've not seen it.
But it is your duty to know what is communicated through the government's official channel, which is the Gazette notice.
That was just last Friday, which is...
Okay, I'm just bringing that to attention. It's in the Gazette notice, and I'd like to add this court to take judicial notice of that.
is removed from the register under this act, such name shall not be reinstated except by the direction of the commission. So it's not final.
So the removal of your name is not final.
It's not final.
And it is not confirmation of your guilt.
It's not.
Which body do you know that can confirm your guilt?
It is the courts of law which are mandated by the Constitution of Kenya. Either to prove somebody guilty or not guilty.
Went in the morning to the school for rehearsal. My husband.
What time was this?
6 something, around 6 something.
Who did he go with to school? Were there any?
A lady, the 2 ladies were at my house. His sister's daughter and Sylvia, who was
You
with
went
us.
These ladies, were they students or who were
They
they?
were students, from 4 students. They were also going for rehearsal. Then he came back with them before lunch.
So he returned before lunch.
Yeah.
Did he ever leave on that day, later in the course of the day?
No.
So, what then happened on the 3rd day of November?
The 3rd day, in the morning, he went for morning prayers.
What time was this?
6:30. He woke up at 5 something. He went 6, I think 6, before 6:30. Then he came back at 6:30.
You went for press what time?
At 5, he woke up at 5:30.
Yeah.
Then around 6, he went for prayers. Then he came back at 6:30, I think, before 7.
Did he leave again after that?
No. We took breakfast together. We were together with the children.
Is there a date?
No, there is no date.
So nobody would know if this came from Habaswein? Would you be sure that it came from Habaswein?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. So it could have come from anywhere.
That one I don't know.
That one I don't know.
Because I don't know
You,
the document.
yeah, you don't own the document. Now, there are some footnotes written after the lab report. Sexually assaulted. Would this also be part of?
No, that is part of clinician too. Right, not the lab.
Not the lab. So the lab does not go into the history again. Does the lab technician also find, what did you say DX means? What does DX mean in medical?
DX in medical term, that is diagnosis.
So it's a diagnosis. So from this report, what is the diagnosis?
I don't know because that.
No, what is written?
Raped.
Raped. And then there's also a plan of treatment.
That That is not my work, that is done by the clinician.
No, but it is on this document that came purportedly being a laboratory request and report form,
That is supposed to be on the treatment sheet, not in the lab.
not on any document from the lab.
Yeah.
You have nothing to do with
No,
the...
with the diagnosis and also plan. With the report.
You'd also not know when your schedule ended, either on that week.
Can't remember because even I don't know the date of the document.
So
because unless I go back and check our schedule.
But the document is not dated.
Yes.
So it could have been prepared any time after or even during the time you were there by any other lab technologies.
That one I don't know.
The only thing you can admit is
It's not my handwriting.
It is not your handwriting.
No.
That's all. The principal left the compound on the 3rd of November when you were undertaking your revision. He never left. From the room, you are saying that you are undertaking your studies. You could see him?
Yeah, it's just an open window like this one, and the bed is just different.
Is the property where you are residing completely fenced out?
Yeah,
So there was no other route, there was no exit he could have gone through.
yeah. If we could have gone out to even we could have known it, because usually when we get out, even the kids say Daddy has gone.
So there's only one gate to the property,
Yeah,
and it is the only gate that you get in through and get out.
yeah.
And was he driving?
Yeah,
So ideally you would have left with the car.
yeah. Usually when he was going out, he left with the car.
Known to you?
Yeah, she was my student.
She was your student.
Yeah.
What would you say of her?
Well, I can't say much. I had known her as a student, as my student, and the most I can say is she was disciplined.
She was disciplined.
She was disciplined. Just that.
So when these allegations came, what did you think of the allegations?
I never believed them. Yeah, so I knew there was malice in it.
In her own evidence, she said you walked out when she was going in. Is that true?
That is untrue. Yeah.
You never saw her on that
I
day?
never saw her. I never saw the same teacher.
Mm.
Yeah, I saw none of them.
Mm. Did any of the investigators visit your house?
No, they didn't visit my house.